Principal GFS, Java full stack developer. This is my, yes, principal means it's a, yes, highest role in this company. Principal Java full stack developer. So principal means, yes, it's a, yes, highest role in this company. Okay. Yes. So this is about myself. This is Nageshwara Mandru. Yes, simply calling as MN Rao. So MN Rao, yes, having 20 plus years of experience. Yes, my area of experience as a Java full stack developer, big data and Hadoop, next Spark here, Linux, Python databases. This is my area of experience here. Next, total number of projects 16 completed, 16 completed, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on Hadoop and Spark. Yes, current projects, e-commerce projects on Java. So current working company, Silitech Private Limited, Hyderabad. My role, principal Java full stack developer. This is my development experience. Not only development here, yes, even I have the training experience also. Development as well as training both here. Development, development as well as training both. Development as well as training. Training also very good experience. Okay, training also very good experience since last 6 to 7 years. I'm taking online classes for Durga Soft. Okay, whenever I get the time, I'll take the classes. So morning one session and evening one session I'm taking. So between that office work. Okay, so presently hybrid system. Yes, Monday and Tuesday I should go to office. Okay, next rest of the days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, yes, work from home. Work from home. Okay, work from home. Rest of the days, like Wednesday, yes, Thursday, yes, Friday, yes. So these days, Wednesday, Thursday for 3 days, work from home. Okay, so that's all about myself. Okay, so lot of development experience and training experience. Training also very good experience. Okay, since last 5 to 6 years, I'm taking online classes for Durga Software. So morning one session I'm taking, evening one session I'm taking. So these 2 sessions I'm taking for Durga Software. Yes, rest of the day office work. So my office, I'll go to 10 o'clock. Yes, I'll go to office at 10 o'clock and coming back to home at 5 evening 6 o'clock. Okay, right? Yeah, so that's all about myself. So development as well as training experience. Yes, I have very, very good presentation skills and communication skills. I have very good communication skills and presentation skills. Yes, I'll present the topic very well. Excellent presentation. Okay. Yes, very good knowledge of Java here. Excellent knowledge in Java. I'm very strong in Java. I'm very strong in Java. Okay. Yes. So that's all about myself. That's all about myself. Okay. And then next about your course. About your course. Yes, about your course. Yes, course. Yes, it's a core Java. Yes, after finishing core Java, anyone wanted to continue for Java full stack, you can continue for Java full stack. After finishing core Java, okay, if you good at programming and all that, you can continue for yes, Java full stack. Yes, after finishing core Java, next you can go to advanced Java and then frameworks. Advanced Java, Spring and Spring Boot, all the frameworks, you can learn it here. Okay, so next level of courses also I'll be taking care. Even I'll be taking advanced Java classes and frameworks also. Yes, I have very good experience in Spring and Spring Boot frameworks. Okay, even I'll be taking classes on Spring and Spring Boot also. Okay, so after finishing core Java, you can plan for next level. You can plan for next level. Core Java. Yes, next time 8 o'clock. Yes, 8 a.m. to yes 9:30 a.m. So this is 90-minute session here. 90-minute session. 90-minute session. So 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Okay, 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Suppose anyone asking to yes stop at 9:15 a.m. Yes, I can. Because someone may be going to office, maybe having some office work. So that case I can stop at 9:15 a.m. So 8 to 9:15 a.m. Okay, maximum I'll try to take Yes, 9:30 is if still anyone asking to stop at 9:15, yes, I can stop it. 9:15 a.m. 9:15 a.m. Or else I can start at 7:30. 7:30 to 9 also I can take it, no issue. So we'll decide it. 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. I can take it. Okay. Yes, either this or that, anyone is fine with me. So presently 8 to 9:30 a.m. Still anyone asking to start at 7:30? Yes, I can start at 7:30 and ending at 9 a.m. Okay. Yes, anyone, yes, have the office. So for them, yes, I can take 9:30 to 7:30 to 9 o'clock. So presently 8 to 9:30. Next week we will decide it. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Fine. Srikanth, sure, definitely. We'll make it 7:30. So these 4 to 5 days initial sessions, I'll take 8 to 9:30. So once batch form, yes, we'll decide it. 7:30 to 9 a.m. No worry. Srikanth, I will take it. Yeah, I'll take it 7:30 to 9 o'clock. No worry. Yeah. Sai Kanta also okay, fine. 7:30, okay, fine. I can take it. Just wait for 2 or 3 days. After 2 or 3 days, we'll decide the time. From Thursday or Friday, we'll start at 7:30. Okay, no issue. 7:30, even 7 a.m. also no issue for me. 7 a.m. also no issue for me. But better we'll make it 7:30. Okay, 7:30 better. Okay, fine. Yeah. So 90-minute session. Okay. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Yeah, we'll discuss. Yes, Anusha will discuss. Don't worry. Okay, Anusha will discuss. Okay, just half an hour is not a big thing. Okay, half an hour is not an issue because someone is going to office. For them, I think 7:30 is the ideal time for office working employees and all that. Yeah. For professionals, working professionals, maybe 7:30 is a good. Yes, we'll decide. Wait for 2 or 3 days. From Thursday onwards, we'll decide it. Yes, wait for some time. Okay. Yes, so course hour time. So this is 8 to 9:30. Presently 8 to 9:30 only. Okay. So whenever changing time, I'll inform you. One day before and I'll inform you. Okay. Yes. Next course time and then duration. Yes, duration 75 days. No doubt it's a 75 days. 75 days. 75 days. Yes, 65 sessions I will be taking. Because holidays, maybe sometimes Sundays holidays, right? Sunday holiday. So 65 sessions getting here. So Monday to Saturday classes. So Monday to Saturday classes. Okay. 6 days week, not 5 days. 6 days a week. Monday strictly holiday. Monday, yes, sorry, Sunday strictly holiday. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes here. Sunday holiday. No doubt, Sunday is holiday. So it has 6 days in a week. So totally 65 sessions getting. Totally 65 sessions getting. Okay. So your core Java. Anyone after finishing core Java, anyone wanted to continue for Java full stack, you can continue. You can continue for Java full stack also after finishing core Java. Okay. Even Java full stack also I'll be taking. I'll be taking. Next time 8 to 9:30 a.m. possible. 7:30 will make it next week. Next week onward. Okay, right? Duration 75 days. 75 days, 65 sessions here. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay, fine. Yes, apart from this, here 3 demo classes available. 3 demo classes available. Demo classes means free of cost. It's a free of cost. Okay, so free of cost. Just you attend 3 demo classes, see that. If you feel, yes, it's a good, then you can join into this batch. Next, one more thing here. Not only attending demo classes, just you talk to your friends. Yes, who are my old students, previous batch students. Anyone. Yes, your friends are there in our old batches. Just you talk to them. Yes, everyone says excellent. Okay, then join into my batch. Excellent feedback. If you got excellent feedback, join into my batch. Otherwise, no. Okay, definitely everyone will the excellent feedback. My way of explanation, my subject and everything's excellent, no doubts. Okay, fine. Yeah, Srikanth, fine. Good. Yeah. So three demo classes. Fine. See, apart from this, so what are things provided for you here? See here, daily, yes, every daily, yes, daily recordings will be shared with you. Yes. So daily recordings. Now currently it's recording session. Daily recordings shared to your Gmail ID. Daily recordings plus class documents. Class documents will be shared with you. Class documents. Daily recordings. See every day. Now currently recording going on. Okay, it's being recorded. Now daily, every day, daily classes, recordings, and a class document here. Next, any code developer, that code also will be shared here. That codes, yes, code daily, yes, any code developing here. Yes, our mainly focus is on coding skills. Yes, our main focus is on coding skills. That code also share with you. Apart from the interview questions, topic wise interview questions I'll share with you. Interview questions, topic wise interview questions I'll share with you. Okay, interview questions. And then, yes, apart from interview questions, yes, next test papers. Yes, industry test papers. Okay, yes, our company test papers, we are conducting test, right? The test papers I'll share with you. Yes, test papers. Okay, the test papers. Yes, daily recordings, right? Daily recordings. Next, daily class document here. Next, daily everyday code. So, what are the code developed in the class here? Next, interview questions, test papers. Apart from that, assignments also will be given to you. Everyday assignments, daily assignments here. Okay. Yes, daily assignments. All of these things sharing with you. Okay, every day. Okay, every day sharing with you. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Harish, real-time scenarios 100% because my focus is mainly on this one here. Real-time scenarios. So whatever I worked in the job, same thing. That scenarios I will share you. Okay, assignments I will give you scenarios as well as I'll explain some code on the real-time scenarios. Okay, yes, covering that real-time scenarios. Real-time project related scenarios here. Real-time scenarios. Scenarios, yes, real-time scenario. Okay, scenarios with code. Okay, the real-time scenarios with code. Sorry, okay. Yes, with codes. Okay, that will be covered here. Same thing I'll share with you. Right? So this is about your course information, course hour. So time this is next daily. Yes, duration 75 days, 65 sessions, 90 minutes in a day here. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes, three demo classes. Okay. Yes, no issue. 3 or 4 demo classes, no issue. Okay. Yeah, Bhagyalakshmi. Okay, fine. Yes, we'll discuss. Okay. Yes. Daily recordings. Yes. Next real-time scenarios with code, with the examples, I'll explain you. Okay, right? Yeah. So this week, 8 to 9:30, no doubt. Next week, we'll discuss. Yes, otherwise, we can start at 7:45. 7:45 to 9:15. That is also fine. 7:45 to 9:15. Okay? Yes. Okay, fine. Yes, 8 to 9:30 or 7:45 to 9:15. Okay? Yes. Yes. Plus or minus 15 minutes. Okay, plus or minus 15 minutes, no issue. Okay, so this is about your course information. About your course information. Next, about course content. Course content. About course content. About course content. Yes, about course content. Yes, about course content. Now here this is just this course is only core Java. So full stack Java, yes, after finishing core Java, you can go with the full stack Java. Now here I'm giving about only core Java content, core Java content. Okay, yes, core Java, yes, that core Java content. So this is, today we'll discuss about core Java content. So what the topics are covering here? First, initially here, starting with software basics. So first of all, starting with software basics. So before going to Java, there are some software basics. Before going to Java, there are some software basics like about operating system. There are many things. Before going to Java, there are software basics. If you good at software basics, then easy to understand Java. Okay, there are software basics here. Yes, this is your class document. Yes, this is 850-page document. This document for you only. I'll share with you. So first introduction to software. Next about system software and about application software. Next about OS, operating system. And then, yes, about front end, back end. What is front end software? What is back end software? Yes, next about applications architecture. And then about languages and packages. These all are the software basics here. Next, low level languages and high level languages. Low level and high level languages. Next, generation of computers. Generation of computers. So, five generation of computers, explaining about it here. And then low level languages. Next, high level languages. After that, next, interpreter and compiler. Explaining about interpreter and compiler. So, these are the software basics. After finishing that basic, then starting Java. So before going to Java, there are some software basics. First, initially, I will cover software basics. 2 days. 2 days, I will cover software basics. And then third day, yes, I'll go to Java. Okay. So 2 days, all software basics. After 2 days, I'll go to Java. So before going to Java, there are some basics. You must have knowledge of interpreter and compiler, and then about low level language, high level languages, like low level and high level languages. Next about front end, back end, about front end, back end, and about OS, operating system, all that basics. Once basics are finished here, I'll go to Java. Directly, I'm not starting Java here. Before going to Java, there are some software basics. Okay. Even non-IT background students also can understand it because I'm starting from very scratch. Okay. Non-IT background students also can understand very clearly here. My classes are like a spoon feeding. Like a spoon feeding, everyone can understand very easily. Very easily. Okay. Fine. So initially software basics. After finishing software basics, next Java. Java basics. Java basics. Java basics. Yes, in Java basics like operators. Yes, sorry. First data types in Java basics. Data types. So Java data types and Java operators. Java operators. Java operators. And next Java control statements. Control statements. Control statements like if statements, while loop, do while loop, for loop, nested loops, and all that here. After control statements, next, yes, after control statement, next arrays. Arrays. Yes, in arrays, we are going to discuss about, yes, some algorithms, data structures, related topics, data structures. In arrays, we are going to discuss about data structures, related topics, data structures. Okay, like searching techniques, sorting techniques, some algorithms, different kind of algorithms. In arrays, we are going to discuss about data structures concept also. Okay, right? After that, methods concepts, methods. So these are initial basics, software basics. Okay, initially, these are all the basics, data types, operators, control statements, yes, arrays with data structures here, next methods. Okay, yes, here I'm going to explain about 100 plus programs. 100 plus programs. You are going to work on 100 plus programs here. So your main focus. So you can this area, main focus on coding skills. Main focus on coding skills. See, coding skills are very important. For every developer, coding skills required. Coding skills are very important for every developer. Suppose C programmers, C and C++ programmers, coding required. For Java developers also coding required. Python developers coding required. .NET developers coding required. All the developers, suppose Salesforce developer coding required. Android developer coding required. The coding skills are very important. Most of the developers, they need coding skills. Okay. So first of all, main focus on coding skills here. Coding skills. Okay. Yes, logic building. So how to build the logics here? Logic building. So here focus on this. So this will be taken for first 1 month. First 1 month, I will focus on coding skills. Yes, 100 plus programs. Okay. Here I am going to explain about, yes, 100 plus programs. 100 plus programs I'll explain here. So you can main focus on coding skills, next logic building. So how to build our logics and thinking skills. Okay, logic building, thinking skills, coding skills. So this is most important for the developers, particularly Java developer. For Java developer, coding is very, very important. First of all, we'll focus on coding skills. Yes, yes, on coding skills. First 1 month completely on coding skills. First 1 month completely on coding skills. So once you create coding here, next starting, next level, Java object-oriented programming. Java Oops. Okay. So first 1 month Java basics plus coding skills. Java basics plus coding skills. So here 100 plus programs we are going to discuss. 100 plus scenarios I'll explain here. Scenarios and code. Scenarios and code. Okay, I'll explain very clearly. Next after the Java Oops. Is Java object-oriented programming. Java object-oriented programming. Yes, these are OOPS features like encapsulation. Yes, what is encapsulation? How to implement encapsulation? It's like encapsulation, like data abstraction, like data abstraction, encapsulation, data abstraction. So encapsulation, data abstraction. Next, constructors, constructors, constructors. Yes, constructors. After constructors, next method overloading topic. Method overloading, method overloading, method overloading. Yes. So first encapsulation, next data abstraction, constructors, method overloading. After method overloading, so next, yes, inheritance. Topic next inheritance. After inheritance, methods, method overriding. These are the good features here. Method overriding. After method overriding, next, yes. After method overriding, next access specifiers and access modifiers. Access specifiers and modifiers. So access specifiers are different, modifiers are different. Access specifiers. There are 4 types of access specifiers. 4 types of access specifiers like public, private, protected, default. Access modifiers, 7 types like static, final, abstract, transient, synchronized, volatile, native. So access specifiers and modifiers. After finishing these things here, so next one is here about abstract classes. Abstract classes, abstract classes and interfaces. And interfaces. Abstract classes, interfaces. After this, next polymorphism. Next topic is polymorphism. Polymorphism. After polymorphism, next garbage collection. Next topic is garbage collection. Yes, garbage. Garbage collection. Yes, garbage collection. Garbage collection. Garbage collection. After garbage collection, next nested classes. Nested classes topic. Nested classes. So this is a oops. Yes, oops topic. Oops. So oops topics here. Right? Yes, in oops also we are going to discuss about, yes, 100 plus programs. 100 plus programs here also. 100 plus programs. See, first 1 month coding skills 100, oops related 100 plus programs are explained here. Yes, even more than 100 programs. Many programs are there. I have prepared many programs in document. It's there. Every program is there in document here. 100 plus programs. Okay. Yes. After finishing oops, next topic is, yes, strings. So working with strings is string. Yes, string related topics. String buffer. Next builder, string builder. Okay, yes, string buffer, string builder, string tokenizer. So they are string related classes. String tokenizer. So strings topic here, strings related. Yes, a string class, string buffer class, string builder class, string token. So these all are string related, all string operations. There are strings are very, very important. String operations. Okay, after finishing this, next one, next one. Yes, exception handling. So next topic is about exception handling. Next topic is about exception handling. Exception handling. Exception handling. So how do you handle the exceptions in Java? Okay. The exception handling like try catch, finally nested exceptions like that. Different kind of exceptions. Exception handling. After exception handling, so next, yes, input and output streams, iOS streams. Yes, and output streams, input and output streams, input and output streams. In input output streams, here we are going to discuss about file handling. File handling, how to handle the files, like CSV files, how to handle CSV files. Next, Excel files, handling Excel files, CSV files, Excel files. Next, PDF files, handling PDF files. Okay, next, JSON data files, JSON data files. So these things we are going to discuss here. CSV files, CSV, comma separated values, comma separated values, CSV files, Excel files. So how, yes, how to read Excel data, how to generate Excel files. Next, how to read PDF files, how to generate PDF. Next, JSON data files. So these things we are going to discuss in this input and output streams. After finishing input and output streams, next topic is networking. Networking. Yes, in networking, we are going to discuss about TCP and UDP applications. Networking, TCP and UDP applications. How to develop the TCP and UDP applications? Yes, TCP, connection oriented, UDP, connectionless, that kind of applications. Here we are going to discuss about charting applications. How to develop charting applications and how to communicate in networking applications. Networking applications. Of networking, finally, it's a multi-threading. Yes, multi-threading, multi-threading, multi-threading. So multi-threading. So multi-threading. So how to create threads, how to manage multiple threads, how to manage different states of the thread, like sleeping state, waiting state, blocking state. Suppose some threads may be deadlock. So how to handle deadlock scenarios, thread synchronization and all that, right? So these all are core Java topics. Finally, apart from this main important topic, Java 8 features. That is important. Finally, Java 8 features. Yes, in core Java itself, I am covering Java 8 features. Java 8 features, this separate document, special document is there. Yes, last 1 week completely focus on Java 8 features. Last 1 week completely focus on Java 8 features. So these are the topics going to discuss. So this is your complete syllabus. Your course content. Yes, it's a core Java content here. First, initially, software basics and then Java basics. Yes, all the Java basics. Okay. Yes. So here 100 plus programs going to discuss here. So 100 plus programs in this. So main focus on coding skills and logic building. So first 1 month completely focus on coding skills. If you good at coding, then moving to Java OOPS, Java Object-Oriented Programming. So here also going to discuss about 100 plus programs, Java OOPS. Next, rest of the topics. Here also about 100 programs we'll discuss. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Collections missing. Sorry. Yes, collections most important. After input output streams, sorry. Collections. Collections. So main focus on 10 sessions I'll take on collections. Yes, my favorite topic. Sorry. Yeah, collections. Collections 10 sessions. So you can main focus on collections here. So collections also I'll focus more. Focusing more on collections. More focus. Most important after input output streams. Yes, next collections. 1 second. Collections getting after exception handling itself getting collections. After collections, input output streams. Okay. So collections. Collections, I'll take 10 sessions. Okay. So this is your complete syllabus. Input output streams, networking, multi-threading, finally Java 8 features. Let me show the document. Your class document. This is your class document. 850-page document. This is your class document. Initially starting with basics. Okay. Yes, in generics getting in corrections. In corrections getting generic corrections, non-generic corrections getting. Okay. Here, these are all the basics, initially basics. One, let me show the document. Here, this is your class document. 850-page document. Yes, 850-page document. Yes, they are initially basics. Yes, even topic-based interview questions are there. Yes, interview questions, topic-based. Next, 1 second. Yes. So here, data types. So these are data types of data types. Yes, let us walk through the document. Just 5 minutes, I'll walk through the document. So this is your all complete data types, next variables. Data types, next variables. How it is variables. Yes, JVM memory management, like stack memory, heap memory, how it's that working. Yes, text area, method area, and all this here. The JVM memory management. Okay. Main means what? What about main means? Yeah, this is yeah, this is your document programs. Here programming coding starts here. Yeah, main methods. Yes, every day we are going to use main methods in programming. Yes, scanner class, reading data from the keyboard scanner class, using scanner class. The examples. Next, yes, a typecasting. After typecasting, and then Java operators, unary, binary, and ternary operators, and operators with some examples. Short and assignment operators. Yes, about increment, decrement operators, pre-increment, post-increment, that examples here, pre-increment, post-increment examples, and then, yes, control statements, if statement, and all this here. Yes, in control statements, yes, we'll discuss about 80 plus programs. More than 80 programs, I'll explain control statements. The if state, different examples on if statement examples, different examples and if statement examples. Yes, if statement examples. After statement, next switch case statement examples. Yes, if statement. Yes, around 20 examples we are going to discuss on if statements. After that, yes, some conditional operator and then switch case statement. Yes, switch case statement. Yes, on switch case statement, we are going to discuss about some real-time scenario like electricity bill generation. Yes, preparing electricity bill. Suppose that scenario. Domestic type, commercial type, industrial type. Yes, that units. So this is documentation. Document on electricity bill generation. That real-time scenario, you are going to develop it here. Okay. Yes. So in this electricity bill, covering if statement. Yes. Next, switch case statement, different kind of statements. So we are going to some real-time scenario here. Real-time. This one. Yes. After finishing this switch case statement, next loops. Next loops. In loops, more than yes loops, nested loops, and initially basic loops and nested loops. 1 second. If statement scenarios, if statement examples. Yes, they are if statement assignments. Examples. Around 12 to 13 programs if statement. And then switch case statements that electricity bill generation we are going to discuss. Next loops. Yes, loops. Yes, loops programming. Yes, loops. Like Fibonacci series, factorial, sum of digits of given number, like prime number examples, how to use exit, break, continue statements, nested loops, the pattern programs. Pattern programs. So first 1 month we are going to spend on this pattern programs and all this, like diamond pattern, how to print this kind of pattern. Next, how to print this kind of diamond pattern. Next, butterfly pattern. Next, and then this kind of butterfly pattern. Next, this kind of butterfly pattern. Next, inner diamond. So inside the diamond here, like this kind of patterns. Next, different examples like strong numbers, Armstrong numbers, twin primes. Yes, twin primes. Okay, so this kind of patterns, all this. Okay, right? Yes. So initially, first 1 month, all these sessions here. Yes, classes from tomorrow onwards starting subject. Tomorrow I'll go to start subject. Today just all the introductions. Okay. Today all introductions. Tomorrow onwards I'll start classes. Okay. Yes, first 3 to 4 days, even actual classes started, you can attend for 3 to 4 days, no issue. These are all the programs prepared in document. So these are the programs. Okay. So these are the programs in document. Well prepared document. Well prepared document. There are many programs. More than 300 programs are the total here. More than 300 programs covered here. Yes, the pattern programs. Yes, sure, definitely. Pattern programs. I'll share with you. So what are things today I promised here? I'll share with you. Today. This one I'll share with you. Next, still if you want to know this one here, just go to Durga website. Durga Soft new batches. Just search for the syllabus. Durga Soft new batches. Yes, in Google search for Durga Soft new batches. New batches. Open that new batches. Durga Soft new batches. New batches in this core Java. Core Java with Java 8 features. Mr.NAGESWAR RAO. 21st April today, 8 a.m. Course content. Course content. Open this, you can see. So course module 1. So first 1 month coding skills. 100 plus programs will be covered here. It's very clearly in module 1, first 1 month. Next, object-oriented programming topics. Yeah, I'll tell you, fee and all that, I'll tell you. So the whoops, features, and next strings and string buffers, next exception handling, next collection framework. Big topic, collection framework. Yes, about collections, structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured, next generic and non-generic collections frame hierarchy. So working with collection interface, list interface, a list, linked list, like this memory maps, a list and vector and stack, set interface and child classes, hash set, tree sets, map interface, hash map, hash table, queue interface, child classes, collection classes, next property classes. Yes, one thing is missing here. Comparator and comparable missing. In the syllabus, comparator and comparable missing. So I'll ask them to add it. Comparator and comparable. Collections. After collections, input output streams. That IBS streams topic. IBS streams. Okay. Yes. Next, networking topic. TCP and UDP applications. Next, multi-threading. Finally, Java 8 features. So this is not added. Yes, I'll ask that online team to add some topics here. Some points are missing here in collections. Comparable and comparator missing and Java 8 features are not mentioned. I'll inform them to add it. Okay, fine. So this you can see here. Go to this. Okay. Yes, go to this Durga website. Yes, new batches. Okay, so in Google search for Durga Soft new batches. New batches. Here you can see new batches. Open that new batches. Here you can see yes, core Java with Java 8 features by Mr. Nageswar Rao. Course content. Click here. You can see all the syllabus. Okay, all the syllabus. That syllabus you can see. Just go through the syllabus again. Here Java 8 features not mentioned, but I will cover Java 8 features also. Java 8 is not mentioned. I'll cover Java 8 also. Is my promise. No doubts. Java 8 features. So about course content. So this is your document, course document. So this is document. Yes, many programs. Around 300 plus programs are there. Yes. Yes. See, including that memory map and all that here. Yes, that searching, sorting algorithms. Things. No, lead code is not going to cover. That is not covering here. Okay. Yeah. So these examples, there are many programs prepared in document. See, very big programs prepared. See, for example, let us this one example. Yes, in arrays, some example, some programs like this. Programs like this I have prepared. In class itself, I like same programs I like in the class. And apart from the class assignments. After that, methods topic here. Methods topic. Methods like stack, method area, stack area, and all that here. Stack overflow exceptions and all that here. And then whoops. Yes, after finishing all this, see. After finishing all this first 1 month here, interview questions. Yes, in topic-based interview questions. Topic-based interview questions. So topic-based interview questions, around 44 on basics, 44 questions like whoops. Yes, after finishing whoops, again interview questions, whoops. The whoops programming. Yeah, this is whoops programming. The whoops explains memory map and all that. It's a whoops programming. That programs whoops, concept call by value, call by references, examples, encapsulation, data abstraction. The whoops programming this is. More than 300 programs are there in this document. It's a whoops programming. Yes, this is constructors topic programming. All these programs. Yes, these programs prepared in Eclipse. Same programs pasted Eclipse. In Eclipse, what are the program after running that and successfully completing program? Same program pasted in the document. So this is completely my experience. Okay. See, most of the trainers, yes, they will copy from different websites in the Google. They will prepare document, but it's not like that here. It's completely my experience. Okay. My document never matching with other websites and all this here. Completely my experience. This is yes, 20 years of experience. I have prepared the document. So these are access pairs. Access pairs. Public, protected, default, private like this. Oops, concepting. Oops. This polymergent topic. This is interfaces and abstract classes. Polymergent topic. This is. Yeah, packages is very simple topic. Matter of 1 hour topic. Package also be covered. It's not a big thing. Packages. Very simple topic. So packages. Oops. See, oops interview questions. After finishing oops, again getting here interview questions. Oops interview questions. Once oops completed, it's interview questions. So you get topic based interview questions. More than 300 questions I have prepared. Interview questions. Industry questions, all. Oops interview questions. Okay, see. For all the interview questions, I have prepared separate document. Java C. Interview questions. Yes, 300 interview questions I have prepared in this document. That interview questions document, this is part one. On part, yes, topic wise, I have prepared interview questions. 300 questions are there in this document. It's interview questions document. And then, yes, coding skills. Coding skills document. Coding skills. Yes, there are many programs in this here, coding skills. Coding skills documents. All the code is a programming. Coding skills. And next, test papers, that industry test papers, like multiple choice questions, descriptive questions, and coding related questions, and all that here. So all of these things for you in here. Coding skills, interview questions, yes, next test papers, and your yes class document. All of this for you only here. I'll share to your Gmail ID. But next, Java 8 features. Special document prepared on Java 8 features. Java 8 features. Okay. Yes, strings topic. This is strings and string buffer, string builder, string tokenizer, and all that. Yes, string related string operations like string pool, string constant pool, and all that here. Yes, strings interview questions. Yes, after this, next exception handling topic. The strings related topic, strings related interview questions, and next exception handling. So this exception handling topic. Exception handling, that exception classes hierarchy on different scenarios in exception handling. Try catch, use of try catch. Next, try catch, finally, multiple catch blocks. Try with multiple catch blocks. Then nested try, and all this. Next, checked exceptions, unchecked exceptions. So these things. After exception handling, next collections. Let me show the collections also. So there are the interview questions on exception handling. Yes. After this, collection starts. So this is collections. Collection framework. Yes, our main focus on collections. Without collections, no Java interview. Every company, they even you fresher, they will ask for collections. Even you have the experience, even you put up 10 years of experience, definitely collections interview. Collections most important. Okay. Yes, collection scenario. Where to use collections? So collections, that collections hierarchy. See that collections hierarchy. Yes, collections hierarchy. Yes, in collections, many examples I have prepared. I think around 50 scenarios I have prepared in collections itself. Collections, 50 scenarios I have prepared in collections. Collections are very useful in real-time projects. Collections. Yeah, I'll start advanced Java. See, here, After finishing core Java is no, yes, at the middle of the core Java itself, we can start advanced Java parallelly. After whoops, we can start advanced Java parallelly. Yes, if you don't have much time, advanced Java evening session you can attend. Morning core Java session, evening advanced Java. After finishing whoops. See, totally core Java 75 days. After finishing 45 days of core Java, you can start advanced Java parallelly, no issue. You can understand it. Once whoops concept completed. So once whoops completed, you can understand advanced Java also. So parallelly, after finishing 45 days of core Java, you can start advanced Java parallelly. Yeah, advanced Java will be starting shortly, within 30 to 45 days. Evening session, I will take it. Yes, morning just you attend core Java, evening advanced Java. These are all the collections, collection scenarios. Like array list, next linked list, next vector, stack, and all the collections, all the scenarios, collections examples. Yes, with memory map, collection with memory map explained here. Yes, how that collections storing inside the memory, that memory map, how to process data in using collections, that linked list like this. See array list and linked list differences very clearly. Collections. Yes, my favorite topic, collections. Yes, all the collections, different scenarios prepared here. Correct, vector related topic here. So iterator and enumeration. Yes, how to clone the vector, different scenarios in vector. So here, here list vector. One second. Vector. Yes, next year list versus vector. Legacy classes, about legacy classes, non-legacy classes. Explain these legacy classes. Vector stack has table property dictionary. About legacy classes, non-legacy classes. What is legacy, non-legacy? We'll discuss. Next, set hierarchy. That set example tree set, hash set. Next, map hierarchy. Yes, hash map, hash table, linked hash map. That examples. Yes, hash map, hash table, the differences. These are all the collections. In collections, more than 50 scenarios I have prepared. Interesting one, collections. And then comparable, most important topic, comparable interface. Comparable interface and comparator. Comparable and comparator. Examples, comparable and comparator. Also covered. Comparable, comparator. Examples. So they are collections topics. Yes, it's a big topic, collections. Yes, comparable, comparator, the differences. Next, interview questions and collections. Like this topic wise interview questions are prepared. After collections, next I was teams. Yes, the collections, interview questions, these things. Yes, around 50 questions per next input output streams. Even input output, this is also very big topic. Like different kinds of like CSV files, Excel files, JSON files, like this different kind of files here covering here. Yes, this is iOS Teams topic. Yes, here also, yes, around 50 programs prepared. This document, more than 300 programs are there. I think around 400. Many examples I have prepared, many scenarios. This document for you only. I'll share with you. Different scenarios and files, file handling. Yes, like byte streams and character streams, character streams, byte streams and character streams, and then yes, Excel data parsing, Apache PY, using Apache PY, how to handle Excel files, Apache PY, see Apache PY, using that, how to process Excel data, how to generate Excel sheets, and all that topics. Okay. Yes, serialization, deserialization also there. After finishing files topic, next serialization and deserialization. So this is a files topic. Yes, XML. Yes, even XML also. Okay, XML, Excel, XML data, XML data, serialization, serialization and deserialization topic. Serialization and deserialization. Yes, after serialization and deserialization, and next, so the serialization and deserialization, and reflection API, reflection API, half reflection API, next multi-threading. Multi-threading, different ways of creating threads, get different states of thread, like blocking state, sleeping state, waiting state, suspense state, like this death state, different states, scheduling and yielding, and all this explaining very clearly with programs, thread synchronization, thread deadlocks, and all that going to discuss. So this is threading examples. Thread priority, thread priority, thread synchronization with examples expand. Next, networking, networking TCP UDP defenses. Next, TCP echo server, TCP applications. Yes, TCP chatting application. Yes, in WhatsApp chatting, right? That WhatsApp chatting, same kind of application. We are going to develop it here. TCP application. After UDP examples, UDP applications, TCP UDP applications. Okay. Yes. So list of 50 keywords, 53 keywords in Java. That list finally. Okay. So by the time of finishing core Java, all Java keywords will be discussed. Finally, JVM architecture, internal architecture of JVM. At the beginning may not be understanding. After finishing core Java, we can understand JVM internal architecture like class loader subsystem, stack area, PC registers, method area, heap area, execution engine, JIT compilers and garbage collection and all this. After finishing core Java, we can understand. This is a final topic. Yes, JVM internals. Explaining about JVM internal architecture. Okay. Next, version-wise features. They are version-wise features. Yes, after finishing this one, yeah, this document finishing, ending topics are finally Java 8 feature. Java 8 feature separate document is there. Yes, there are some interview questions, test papers. Yeah, I have many test papers. I'll share with you all test papers for you only. Yeah, this is Yes, that 860 page document, 860 page document. So this document for you only. Yes, more than 300 programs I have prepared, all that scenarios, real-time scenarios and general examples. Okay. Yes. So your daily class document, this is, and then coding skills, and then interview question, Java 8 features, test papers. That will be sharing with you, apart from the recordings. Recordings, for example, here, yeah, will be a soft. See that recordings, 41 sessions completed, evening batch. So this is going on. Evening batch. Yes, at 8 o'clock this batch. Yes, is 8:30 batch, and one more evening batch started because of students. Many students are asking. So for them, yes, another batch started recently. 12 sessions completed for them. Evening, this is 7 o'clock batch. 7 to 8:30 one batch, 8:30 10 another batch. Because of many students are asking. So because of their demand, evening 2 sessions and morning 1 session I'm taking care. Rest of the day office work and taking some rest. Okay. Yeah. So they are the recording. These kind of recordings I'll share with you. Daily recordings, drive. I'll create one drive. The drive access will be given to you. Let me show the drives. Current running batches drive. Drive. So the Google Drive I'll share with you. Yes, a drive. So this is drive. So the Google Drive I'll share with you. Yes, recently started batch, 12 sessions completed. Here, just I'll give the drive access. Right click, share to your Gmail. Okay. This that old batch, 8:30 p.m. batch. Just right click, share with your Gmail ID. Simply. Here drive access like this. Okay, so drive access will be given. Apart from the softwares, your daily class documents and all that drive. Yes, core Java drive, core Java, advanced Java like this frameworks, core Java drive, core Java. Yes, your core Java document, Eclipse document, JDK, software, and this is all this drive access. So once you use it, I'll give the drive access. Drive access to your Gmail ID. Okay, right? So this is about course contents and what are things sharing with you. Yes, everything will be sharing with you. Yes, apart from this, 24 by 7 support is there. 24 by 7, I'll give the support. Anytime you can ping me. Okay, 25 by 7 support is available. Anytime you can ping me for support. If you're getting any doubts or if unable to solve any coding issues getting, just you can ping me. I'll give the WhatsApp number, WhatsApp group I'll be creating. Okay. Yes, you can share your doubts in WhatsApp. I'll explain very clearly. Okay. Yes, any point of time, 24 by 7 support is available. Suppose sometimes I may be in office meeting, that time may not be except office meeting, remaining all the times, I'll be responding. Okay. Yes, of night up to 12 o'clock, okay, fine. Yes, morning after 8 o'clock, fine. Yes, night 12 to morning 8 o'clock, except that time, remaining all the times, okay, fine. Anytime I can respond. Okay, 24 by 7 support is available. Okay, so this is about course. Yes, about myself cleared, about your course cleared, about course content very clearly with document with all that explained very clearly. Next, what is prerequisite? Nothing. I'm not expecting anything from you guys. What is prerequisite to learn this course here? I'm not expecting anything from you guys. Okay. Yes, even non-IT backgrounds, nothing required. For this, nothing required. I'm not expecting anything here, nothing required. Okay. Non-IT background students also can understand it here. Non-IT background, like mechanical, okay, civil students, mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, civil engineering, or maybe pharma backgrounds, any student, even commerce background students also can understand it. My classes, very simple and easy to understand. Okay. Yes, like a spoon feeding. Even kids also can understand. Very spoon feeding, very clearly, each and every topic I'll explain. Slowly, neatly, I'll explain. 2 to 3 times repeatedly, I'll explain. Still, you have the doubt, in class itself, you can ask me. Yes, in code development, any doubt is that just you ask me, I'll repeat that code. Okay, so non-IT background students also can understand it here. Just I'm expecting English knowledge. You should be good at English. English knowledge enough. My class is completely in English only. Okay. May not be using some Telugu or Hindi, something like that. Here completely in English only. Okay. Yes. Suppose any students, North students sometimes asking in Hindi doubts. I can understand Hindi. I can speak Hindi. Telugu, Hindi, English fluently. I can understand it. Okay. Next, one more thing here is introduction of myself. Yes, I was in USA for 4 years. USA at Chicago for 4 years. 2012, 2012 to 2016, I was in USA for 4 years. 4 years I was in USA. 4 years. Yes, company work permit that L1 visa. On L1 visa for 4 years I was there. Later returned back to Hyderabad here working only. Okay, 4 years I was there at Chicago. Yes, Chicago. It's on-site. Yes, at on-site. Yes, company work permit. I worked there, not H1 visa. Company work permit. Okay. Yes. So this is about course and all that here. So yeah, I'm not expecting anything from you guys. No expectations. Okay, non-native background student also can understand it here. Just English understanding enough. See, I'll speak very basic English. Don't worry, guys. Depends on situation. Suppose if I'm in office meeting, that English is different. If it is student, that English is different. Suppose if I'm in USA, that English is different. Depends on persons facing. I'll use the English. Okay. Yeah. Yes. It's a right place, right English we have to use. For students, I should not use that US level English, right? US accent and all that I can't do. So you have to understand first of all, a student. Okay, office work, teamwork, team meeting, that is different. When I was at yes, yes, clients. So speaking that ES related English, right? That accent I have to change it. Depends on yes, persons facing, you have to change our accent. Okay, right? Yeah. And then finally, what next after this course? After finishing this course, what next after this course? These important points. What next after this course? What next after this course? The first one is as a fresher you can apply. After finishing core Java, yes, some companies as a fresher taking after finishing core Java. As a fresher, you can apply for the jobs. As a fresher, yes, applying for jobs. Yes, applying for jobs. Jobs, right? Yeah, this case, yes, this case I'll provide resume. When you want to apply for jobs as a fresher, resume. I'll provide resume. And next, one more thing here. I can forward your resume to my, yes, in my network. Yes, I can forward your resume. Forwarding your resume, I can forward it. Yes, in my company, any openings are there, I'll inform you. I'll inform you. Apart from that, in my network, any openings comes, yes, I'll forward. Means I'll give the reference. Reference is very, very important. I'll give the reference. This also assurance from my side here. 100% no doubt, I'll give the reference. 100% reference I'll give. So once I referred your resume, almost 90% selection over. 90% selection is over. I'll give the reference. But the thing is here, who are continued up to end of the course? For them only I can give the reference. Who continued up to end of the course? Yes, everyday response. I'm expecting response every day. Who are responding every day? Who are yes developing coding and all that? For that 100%, I'll give the reference. Reference will be there, right? So as a fresher, you can apply for jobs. Next option, yes, next you can continue for Java full stack development, Java full stack developer course. So next level of course, Java full stack development. After finishing core Java, you can continue for Java full stack development course. Okay, or else you can go with some tools. There are many tools, core Java based tools available. After finishing core Java, okay, if you want to go to tools, you can go to tools. Yeah, Java full stack development means maybe this is a very big topic, big thing here. Yes, lot of time taken here, maybe 6 to 7 months taken, and you must have good coding skills in this area. Okay, suppose after finishing core Java, if you want to go to some tools, yes, like Selenium, testing Selenium. Yes, you can go to testing Selenium tool. Yes, it's a Selenium tool. So it's a core Java based tool. Selenium tool. Yes, you can go with Android development. Android also core Java based. Android development. Selenium, Android. Next, yes, like Salesforce development. So this also related to core Java. Salesforce, right? Yes, next even Hadoop. You can go to Hadoop. Next, Hadoop and Spark. The Java frameworks. So Hadoop and Spark, big data framework. They are core Java, right? And then yes, apart from this, even SAP, Java-based SAP tools available. SAP Java-based, SAP technical, Java-based coding is available. SAP tools, Java-based tools available. Java-based tools. Yes, next SAP. Yes, apart from this, Oracle. Yes, EBS tool is available. So Oracle ERP. So Oracle ERP, in Oracle ERP. Yes, in our company we are using here. Okay. Yeah, that Oracle ERP. Yes, enterprise business tool is available. Okay, EBS tool is available. You can go with that tool here. Okay. So there are different tools. Many core job based tools available in the market here. Okay. Yes. So Selenium, Android, Salesforce, Hadoop, and Spark. Next, yes, you can go with SAP tools or Oracle EBS tools, ERP EBS tools, Java based tools. Okay. Like this, there are many Java based tools you can learn. Java based tools, these tools learning just a matter of 30 days. After finishing course, within 30 days, you can learn these tools, then you can try for jobs. Okay. So this is after finishing this course. So this is today's agenda. Any doubts, guys? Yes, don't leave it. Just wait for some till I have to explain some more. Any doubts? Yes, doubts. Any doubts?
So for Salesforce, Core Java is
Enough.
yes.
For Salesforce development, core Java enough. With core Java knowledge, you can work on Salesforce. Same looks like a core Java. Salesforce development, same thing looks like a core Java. Next, one more thing here. One more. 1 second. Yeah, I hope everyone able to hear me and also my screen visible. Am I audible for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think screen also visible. Yeah, let us start session. Yeah, today day one. Day one. Day one. Today's session is very simple. Today agenda. So day one. It's very simple agenda. Just all the introductions today we are not going to discuss any subjects, just all are introductions only. So today agenda, first of all, about myself. So about myself introduction here. Next, and then about your course information, and then about yes, course content, about course content, about course content, and next, what is prerequisites to learn this course. Finally, here, what next? Half of the course, half of this course. So this is today's agenda. So today, not going to enter in actual subjects. Tomorrow will be starting actual subjects. Today, yes, all information, all introductions only. So here on day one, different students having different doubts. There are many doubts. Okay, there are many doubts. Yes, most of the students having this kind of doubts only. Mostly this kind of doubts. Okay. Yes, maybe about myself. So about trainer. Okay, someone wanted to know about trainer. Who is the trainer? What is his experience? And currently working or not? Okay. Yes, in which company working and all that. This is different kind of doubts here about trainer. So someone wanted to know about trainer. Okay. Next about course. So what is exactly this course? Next, how many days this course? Weekly, how many days? Daily, how much time? And all this information. Yes, next about course content means what's the syllabus. So what are the topics covering in this course here? Like this, there are different doubts here. Next, prerequisite. Yes, some students, can I learn this course easily or not? Without IT background, can I learn this or not? Like this different kind of doubts here. Yes, finally here, after learning this course, what next? Can I go to job or should I go to next level of training here? So like this different kind of doubts here. There are many doubts. Okay, most of doubts are these things only here. Yes, on day one, these are the most of the doubts. Okay, let me explain clearly. Still, if you have the doubts, you can ask me. Okay, still, yes, other than this, still, if you have any doubts, you can talk to me. After finishing class, yes, you can talk to me, or else you can ping in chat box also. Okay, yes, here chat box available. What doubts you can ping in chat box. Okay, yes. Suppose anyone wanted to talk to me just after finishing class, you can talk to me. Okay, yes. So here, without any confusion, suppose you guys are asking some questions, I'm giving answers at the middle of this. All this means maybe lot of confusion. Okay, that will be creating lot of confusion in the class. I don't want to create any confusion. For that purpose, some agenda prepared like this agenda. So as per this agenda, we'll go with this today. Okay, still any doubt is there? At the end of the session, you can talk to me. At the end of the session, you can talk to me. Right? Yeah. So let us start. First of all, about myself. Yes, about myself. So first of all, about myself. About myself. Yeah, this is Nageshwar Rao. Untrue. Okay, yes, simply most of the students and all, everyone calling us MN Rao. Shortly calling us MN Rao. MN Rao. Famous for Java training. So, yes. So this is Nageshwara Mandru. So it's simply calling us MN Rao. Most of the students are calling us MN Rao, sir. Simply MN Rao. Okay, fine. Yeah, having yes 20 plus years of experience. 20 plus years of experience. 20 plus years of experience. See, my most of the experience is Java only here. 20 years Java experience. Java, as a Java full stack developer. Yes, as a Java full stack developer. And next, yes, apart from Java, I worked on big data and Hadoop. Big data and Hadoop. Yes, Hadoop and Spark, big data, and next Hadoop and Spark. Spark. So big data. So big data with Hadoop and Spark. So these Hadoop and Spark, they are the Java frameworks. Yes, if you good at Java, you can work on Hadoop and Spark also. So these are the one of the Java frameworks. Big data with the Hadoop and Spark. Okay. So as a Java full stack developer working here, presently working as a Java full stack developer. Okay. Next, big data, Hadoop and Spark. Apart from that, yes. Next, I worked on Linux also. Linux. So big data Hadoop. In Hadoop area, compulsory Linux experience required. For Java developer may not be required, but Hadoop and big data Linux experience required. Linux. Next, apart from this, Python. Yes. Yes, in big data applications, sometimes worked on Python also. Yes, apart from that, databases. Databases like Oracle database. Yes, very good experience in Oracle database. Oracle database and MySQL. Very good experience. Oracle database, MySQL, and Postgres also worked. So this is my area of experience. Lot of experience. 20 years of experience. So 20 years of experience in this area. Okay. Yes. So this is my area of experience. More than 20 years of experience. Okay. Yes, in my whole career, total number of projects. Total projects 16. Yes, total projects. Yes, 16 completed. 16 projects completed. Yes, more than 20 years. I think it's a 23, 24 years of experience. 24 years of experience. 16 completed here out of 16. Yes, 12 projects on Java. 12 projects on Java completed. 4 projects. Yes, 4 projects on Big Data and Hadoop here. 4 projects. Yes, on Hadoop, and Spark. Right? Yes, now currently, yes, current projects. Sorry, current projects, e-commerce. We are working on e-commerce projects. E-commerce. Yes, it's a 17 projects. Current projects, e-commerce projects. Yes, e-commerce on Java. We are working on this e-commerce projects. E-commerce project on Java. Yes, now current working company. Current working company. Yes, Silotech Private Limited, Hyderabad. This is my current working company. Silotech Private Limited, Hyderabad. So this is my current working company. Let me show that. Silotech. Yeah. This is my current working company at Cyberpol, High Tech City. So this is my current working company. Yes, my role here, my role is principal Java full stack developer. My role, yes, principal yes, JFS, Java full